Greetings from great used auto sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2023 Chevrolet Equinox RS model. Loaded up, panoramic roof, leather, navigation, all the toys, really in beautiful shape. Black on black, looks super sharp. Really nice condition, about 16,000 miles on it. It's an all-wheel drive. Really amazing condition. Let's go ahead and give it a quick walk around. And let's take it panel by panel now. Let's go and take a look. Beautiful condition. Look at the front bumper, outstanding shape. Looks amazing. Very nice. Take a look at the headlamps. Outstanding shape. Grille's in beautiful condition. RS model. Really nice. Look at those bottom lights there. The fog lights on the bottom look amazing. Really nice. Look at this. Beautiful condition. All right, let's take a look at the front fender on the passenger side. Beautiful shape, super clean throughout, amazing condition. Take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful shape. Look at it. Very nice, outstanding shape. Super clean. Front fender on the driver's side, beautiful condition throughout. Really amazing shape. Let's take a look at the glass. Glass looks brand new. No marks or chips on it. Looks super clean. Let's take a look at the other side. Really nice condition. Look at this. Amazing shape. Okay, let's take a look at the passenger door in the front. Beautiful condition. Has a little tiny blemish there on the paint. Besides that, looks good. It's very nice. Let's take a look at the mirror. Mirror's in beautiful condition. Glass looks good. Moldings are in great shape. Very nice. Let's take a look at the rear door. Glass and moldings are good. Paint on the vehicle looks flawless. Very nice. Taking a close look here. Very nice condition. Quarter panel. Passenger side looks amazing. It's got a little scratch right there. Nothing major. Rear bumper. Rear bumper looks good. Very nice condition. Super nice shape. Taking a look at the rear hatch. Hatch looks good. Very nice. Glass is in beautiful condition. Did notice right now it has a tiny little dent right there. Small little dent right there. Besides that, looks nice. Beautiful condition. Parking sensors in the rear. Okay, we're taking a look at the quarter panel on the driver's side. Looks good. Clean throughout. Don't see any marks or anything on it there. Looks very nice. Rear door on the driver's side, beautiful condition. Don't see any marks or anything on it either. Super clean. Front door looks amazing, super clean throughout. Very nice. Take a look at the mirror. Mirror has that little a little light in there that turns on when there's somebody in the lane. Super nice feature. Let's take a look at the roof. It's got the panoramic roof. Look at that. Super sharp. Roof looks good. Don't see any dings or anything on it. Looks super clean. Really nice. Beautiful condition. Okay, that's pretty much it. We did our walk around here. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a little test drive. Be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Really outstanding condition. Look at the armrest. Very nice shape. All the controls. Power hatch. Bose system, look at that. Really nice. Let's go ahead and take a look. Driver's seat. Driver's seat's in amazing condition. Look at that, stitching on it. Equinox label up there on the headrest. Perforated in the center. Little red lines, accents, look beautiful. Full power. Dashboard, steering wheel, everything's in amazing condition. Look at this. Super clean. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger door panel in the front. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Take a look there. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Take a look at the controls with power windows, power locks. Really amazing condition. Little pocket there for storage. Very nice. Let's take a look at the passenger seat here in the front. Amazing condition. Perforated in the center. Little accents there with red. Let's have a little mark here and here on the leather. Besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Take a look at the dash. Dash looks amazing. Really beautiful shape throughout. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the Driver's side rear door panel looks amazing, clean throughout, very nice. Super, super clean. Okay, take a look at the rear seats. Really amazing shape. Very nice. Perforated in the center. Little red accents, looks super nice. Very nice condition. Super, super clean. On top here, panoramic roof. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel looks good. Very nice condition. Look at the armrest. Very nice. Pocket for storage there. Looks good. Rear seat looks good. Very nice condition. Super clean throughout. Very nice. Really nice combination. Super nice. In the center here, got USBs. And down here at the bottom, you have a power plug. Want to connect your laptop or whatever, you can use it there. Very nice. And then the roof on top, panoramic roof. We're going to go ahead and take a look at that in a moment. Stay tuned. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2023 Chevy EQUINOX RS model, all-wheel drive. There's a key fob for it, lock, unlock, remote start, power hatch. Really nice. Remote looks brand new. I'm going to sit it down here. I'm going to go ahead and press the brake. It's got a push button start. Let's go ahead and start it up. There you go. Let's take a close look here. Very nice. All the gauges are fully functional. Amazing. The center screen starting up. Fantastic. Okay, let's take a look at some of the features on this one. Let's look at the miles first. 16,164 miles. Fantastic. This one has the auto stop for the engine. Okay, so pretty much that's it. So this one has the lane assist. It tells you the miles per hour in the area where you're driving. Really nice. You can go through the information center right here. Check it out. Shows you the distance, fuel range, tire pressure sensors, air filter, average miles. Fantastic. Look at that. Super nice. Okay, then this also has the collision alert here, so you can select that. You can change the distance on it, which is super nice. This one has a lane alert, which is right here. So when you turn it on and off, it shows up on the little screen right there. See that on the corner? It shows when it's on. Heated steering wheel, nice for you guys up north. So this is also for the cruise control. This is for the information center we just used to speak your commands. If you're going to hang up your phone when you're talking. Automatic lights, the dimmer for the dash, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nice. Turn signals, all working good. Look at that. Fantastic. Front and rear wipers. Really nice. Let's take a look at the all-wheel drive buttons right here. Parking sensors. It's RS model. Automatic transmission. Power brake. Very nice. Take a look at the dashboards. Beautiful condition. Really nice. Look at that. Amazing shape. Screen's in beautiful condition. Looks brand new. Climate control AC. It's got 2 zones here. Look at the temperature right there on the dial. You can set that. You got heated seats on both sides. Fantastic. Okay, let's take a closer look here what we have on the radio. So we're going to go to home. That's where we're at there. Audio. That's what audio looks like. Click here. Phone. There's no phone connected, but that's the connection through there. Navigation, really nice. This one has Navi. Super nice. Wi-Fi settings. Fantastic. User. You can set up a user here. That way every user can save their own radio stations, whatever they enjoy. Settings. So you have the system, apps, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Very nice. Rear seat reminder. If you have a small child or whatever in a car seat, you can set that up. It reminds you before you get out of the car. Climate control, quality. Okay, let's take a look at the safety stuff here on this one. Forward collision. Front pedestrian detection, adaptive cruise, lane change alert, and rear cross traffic. Very nice. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, camera. Look at that. This one has 360 view. So we're looking at the car right from above. Look at that, how cool that is. In the rear. And you could set up different sections here. Let me show you how that works. So this is showing the front camera right now, which is super cool. Look at that. If you're gonna park somewhere, you wanna make sure not to hit the bumper or whatever, you could use that camera. There's the rear, in case you're towing something or whatever. That's super cool. Back here, that's one of the side views. Side views on both sides. That's the front view for the bumper in the front. That's pretty much it. So we'll go ahead and we'll leave it on that one there. It's super nice to have that. Okay, so let's move on. Let's go back to home again. So you have your My Chevrolet. If you want to add more apps, XM Radio, OnStar. That's the regular menu. And back before that, you can see the navigation on one side and whatever radio station you have it on the other. Super nice. Okay, that's pretty much it here. Let's take a look above. You've got the control for OnStar here, the airbag alert for the passenger in the front. So let's go ahead and open up the roof. That's the screen going back. Look at that. Super nice. The screen does go all the way to the back there. Really nice, gives everybody a view. This is for the actual roof. And then that piece of glass gets on top of the other one. Super nice. Let's go ahead and bring it back. Works perfect. Very nice. Let's go ahead and bring the shade forward again. Super nice. Look at that. Okay, we're all set there. All right, that pretty much comes to the conclusion. We're going to go ahead and take it for a little test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. Oh, forgot to show you this here. Power plug there. USBs. And auxiliary. Very nice. Be right back. Okay, we're all set. Take it for a little test drive here. Here we go. Feels super smooth. Really nice. So this one has a lot of safety features. It has lane alert, cross traffic in the back when you're backing out, collision alert in the front, pedestrian alert in the front. Super nice. And then it has the 360 view from the camera. It gives you a view all the way around the vehicle when you're parking. It's a really nice feature. Coming up on the stop sign here, we're going to slow down a little bit. There we go, light changed. Good to go. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to check out the backup camera now here. Find a little spot to park and give you guys a view. Okay, so here we go. So we're just going to select the spot here. Okay, so now we're going to place it in reverse. Check out the backup camera. There we go, place it in reverse. It's got the 360 view all the way around here. And that's the backup camera there. So let's go ahead and take a look. Start backing up right now. This one has parking sensors in the back. Really nice. Look at this. Amazing. Let's go forward a little bit. It's really nice. It shows you the the view all the way around the vehicle. So it has cameras mounted on each one of the mirrors, on the front bumper and in the rear. So look at us backing up here. There's a post back there. It's already noticing the post, as you can see there and there, and it's giving us alert right on the dash. Check it out. Look at that. That's amazing. Then it also has alert on the front bumper. So when you're done there, you can drive off. And then this is showing us the front camera. So when we're driving off, it shows us the front camera. So if you're pulling out somewhere and there's a car or whatever there, you could actually catch it on your front camera. Look at that. See that? How cool that is? All right, that's pretty much our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the cargo area in the back, take a look at the tires, and look under the hood. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the cargo area. Let's open up the hatch. This is the remote. So it has lock unlock, remote start, power hatch. You're going to hold it down. There you go. Really nice. Let's take a close look here. Very nice condition. Look at that. Nice and clean. These things, you actually pull them and those seats fold forward. It's a really nice feature. Let's take a look down here on the bottom. Okay, you got some storage there. You can hide your stuff there. Beneath that, spare tire and jack, all the tools. Really nice. Let's go ahead and close the power door. There you go. Fantastic. Okay, we're taking a look under the hood. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice. Really nice condition. This one only has like 16,000 miles. Beautiful shape. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the driver's side. Tire looks amazing. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Looks brand new. Rim is clean and in outstanding shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Amazing. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear. Driver's side. Tire's in beautiful shape. Good amount of tread in there. Looks very nice. Tire's in great condition. Rim does have a little scuff right here and here on this edge. Besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's in beautiful condition. Really in nice shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Has a little scuff here and here. Besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire on the passenger side. Tire looks amazing. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Does have a little scuff here on the edge. Besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Okay, well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2023 Chevrolet Equinox all-wheel drive RS model, loaded up, navigation, panoramic roof, all the toys, beautiful condition. It's got about 16,000 miles. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.